Hello, everyone. Welcome to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode number 66, and our topic today is super useful and super fun, talking about money in English. My name is Lily, and I'm so happy to be here with my best friend, Ben. Hi, Ben. How are you feeling today?
Hi, Lily. Hi to all our amazing listeners. I'm feeling great, thank you. Money is something we talk about almost every day, right? We go to the shop, we buy lunch, we pay bills, we think about saving. So today, we're going to learn lots of easy words, short sentences, and real conversations about money. We'll go slowly, repeat a lot, and practice together. Are you ready? Let's make English easy and enjoyable.
Yes. Let's begin right now with the most important question in any shop. Picture this. You see a beautiful jacket. It looks warm and nice. You want to know how much it costs. What do you say? Listen carefully and repeat after me very slowly. How much is this? Excellent. Now say it a little faster. How much is this?
Wonderful. That's the number one question. You can also ask, how much does this cost? Both are perfect. And if there are two things or more things, like bananas or socks, you say, how much are these? Notice the small grammar. Is for one item, are for many items. Let's practice together 3 times. How much is the jacket? How much are the jackets? How much is the apple? How much are the apples? Lily, your turn. Ask me something.
Okay. Ben, how much is this phone?
It's $200.
Oh, that's a lot. Listeners, repeat after me. How much is this phone? Now, you ask your imaginary friend the same question out loud. Good job.
Now let's talk about what happens when the price is high. If it's too much money for you, you can say, that's expensive, or it's very expensive, or it's too expensive for me. My favorite polite way is, I can't afford it right now. Afford is a very useful word. It means I don't have enough money to buy this. Let's repeat it 3 times slowly. I can't afford it. I can't afford it. I can't afford it. Feel how it sounds? Say it with a smile. It's okay to say no to expensive things.
Exactly. Now, let's learn about different types of money. First type, coins. Coins are the small metal pieces. They make a nice cling cling sound in your pocket. In many English-speaking places, you have 1 cent coin equals a penny, 5 cent coin equals a nickel, 10 cent coin equals a dime, 25 cent coin equals a quarter. Sentence to practice. I have 3 coins in my hand. Repeat. I have coins. I need more coins for the parking machine.
Good. Second type, paper money. We call it bills in American English or notes in British English. Examples: a $5 bill, a $10 bill, a $20 bill, a $50 bill, a $100 bill. Or in pounds, a £5 note, a £10 note, a £20 note. Let's say together, I have a $20 bill in my wallet. Now change it. I have a £10 note in my wallet. Practice both.
Perfect. How do people pay these days? There are main ways. Pay in cash, which is using coins and bills. I pay in cash. Or pay by card, using plastic card. I pay by card or I pay with my card. Most people have 2 kinds of cards. Debit card, money comes directly from your bank account. Credit card, you borrow money from the bank and pay later, but be careful not to borrow too much. Ben, which do you like more, cash or card?
I like card more because it's faster and I don't carry lots of heavy coins. But sometimes cash is good for small things like ice cream or bus tickets. Listeners say, I like to pay by card. I sometimes pay in cash.
Now, let's talk about where we keep money. Ben, describe your wallet.
My wallet is brown leather. It's not too big. Inside, I have some bills, a few coins, my debit card, my credit card, my bus card, my library card, and one lucky coin from my grandma. What's in your purse, Lily?
My purse is red and quite big. Inside, some cash, all my cards, my keys, lipstick, a little notebook for shopping lists, tissues, and sometimes chocolate. Women often call it purse and men call it wallet. Listeners, point to your own wallet or purse and say out loud, "This is my wallet," or "This is my purse." Feels good, right?
It does. Now, where does money come from? We earn it. Earn means get money from working. I have a job at a bookshop. Every month, the shop pays me my salary. Salary is fixed money you get regularly.
Some jobs pay wages, usually every week or for each hour worked. Example sentences: I earn $15 an hour. My wages are £400 a week. I get my salary on the last day of the month. Repeat after me. I have a job. I earn money. My salary is okay.
What do you do, Lily?
I teach English online and make videos for YouTube. I love it. I earn a nice salary and I feel happy helping people like you. But I don't spend everything. I save. Save means put money away for later. I save for new headphones, for holidays, for emergencies. Then what do you save for?
I save for a trip to the beach next summer. Every payday, I put $30 into my savings star at home and also into my bank savings account. The bank sometimes gives a tiny bit extra called interest. That's nice.
Smart thinking. At the bank, you can deposit money, which means put money in. I deposit $100. Withdraw money means take money out. I withdraw $50. Lots of people use ATM machines. ATM means automated teller machine. You insert card, enter PIN, choose amount, get cash. Practice 3 times. I go to the ATM. I withdraw cash. I withdraw $20 from the ATM.
Super! More shopping vocabulary. Words for low price. Cheap. Very cheap. Inexpensive. Affordable. Good price for most people. Examples. This notebook is cheap, only 99 cents. This jacket is affordable, only $35. Opposite words. Expensive. Very expensive. Pricey. Costs too much.
After you buy, the shop assistant says, "Here's your receipt." Receipt is paper that shows what you bought and the price. Keep your receipt. Why? Because sometimes you need to return the item, which means bring it back. I want to return this shirt. Or get a refund, which means get your money back. Can I have a refund, please?
Yes, now the exciting part, sales and discounts. Shops love to say, big sale today, everything 50% off. Buy one, get one free. Extra 20% discount with this coupon. Last month, I bought a new backpack. It was 60% off. I saved so much money. Online, it's the same. Add to cart, go to checkout, see total, subtotal, plus shipping, plus tax, then pay.
Free shipping is the best phrase. Let's do 2 more role plays to practice. First, supermarket.
Hi, how much are these bananas?
They're $2 per kilo.
Okay, I'll take 1 kilo. Anything on sale?
Yes, bread is half price today.
Great. I pay by card.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Second, clothes shop. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, how much is this green sweater?
Normally $80, but today it's $45.
Wow, good discount. I'll buy it. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, of course. Insert your card here. Done. Enjoy your sweater.
Thank you.
See, you can do this in real life. Practice these short dialogues with a mirror, with a friend, or even record yourself on your phone.
Another everyday situation is eating out.
Waiter, can we have the bill, please?
Here you are. Total is 22 pounds.
Thank you. I'll pay, and here's £4 tip. Thank you for the great service.
tip is extra money for good waiters, usually 10 to 20%. Nice habit.
Now, quick words about borrowing. Can I borrow $10? I'll pay you back on Friday. Means I borrow, you lend. If I don't return it, I still owe you $10. Sorry. Don't like big debts. I try to have no debt.
And 4 easy idioms to remember. Money doesn't grow on trees, means you can't get money easily. Save money for a rainy day means save for unexpected problems. It costs an arm and a leg means extremely expensive. It won't break the bank means it's not too expensive, you can buy it.
Let's do a big review. Repeat these words after us slowly. Money, cash, coins, bills, notes, penny, dollar, pound, card, debit card, credit card, wallet, purse, job, earn, salary, wages, save, savings, bank, deposit, withdraw, ATM, price, cost, cheap, affordable, expensive, receipt, refund, sale, discount, cart, checkout, shipping, bill, tip, borrow, lend, owe, debt, budget.
And repeat these full sentences. How much is this? How much does it cost? That's too expensive. I can't afford it today. I pay in cash. I pay by card. I earn money every month. I'm saving for new shoes. There's a big sale. 50% off. Great. Can I borrow $5? Can I have the bill, please? Here is your receipt. Thank you for the tip.
Wow, we covered so much today. Shopping in stores, online shopping, paying ways, earning at work, saving in the bank, restaurants, borrowing from friends, fun idioms. Your English about money is growing stronger.
Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The most important thing is to speak, even simple sentences. Say one money sentence every day about what you bought, what you want to save for, a price you saw. Small steps equal big progress.
You are doing fantastic. Listen to this episode again tomorrow. Practice out loud. Share with a friend who learns English too. We believe in you.
Thank you for spending this time with us in episode 66. We love you all.
Bye for now. Keep smiling, keep practicing, keep thinking in English. See you very soon in the next episode.
Bye-bye.